People always say you can't do something if you don't put your mind to it. I think building this car has always been a dream of mine. For the last 6 months, I worked really hard to build my dream car. Yeah, I could have went and bought one, but it's nothing more valuable than building your own car. Building a car isn't hard. You just gotta stay committed, gotta stay grounded, have a plan, stay focused, be patient, and most of all, have fun. I think at the end of the day, definitely learned a lot of good lessons. This is my 67 Mustang Matte Black Fastback.